Good morning, students. Today we will see PDCA cycle. That means P for plan, D for do, C for check, and A for act. Plan, do, check, act cycle. It is a problem-solving method for continuously improvement and changes, and it is recognized the basics of continuously improvement the quality of processes and product and services. It is a simple and structured approach for quality related problems. It is PDCA cycle may be necessary to solve problem permanently and reach the ultimate goal state. It is used to verify the feasibility of a proposed idea, whether it is an incremental and breakthrough improvement. When used, it is trending to minor changes to a process and the solution to the problem is known. Then different benefits of using by PDCA cycle. It is methodological way to problem solving and implementing solution. It is test and incorporate feedback before you start a full scale implementation. This brings you closer to your goals as knowledge is increased. First, problem solving, second, failures, and third, feedback received. It is improve the critically thinking skill of your team, and it helps reach the towards more integrated systems. Then first details we see plan. It is team selected the problem to be solved, and then problem and objective are clearly identified. The current situation is analyzed and solution alternative are identified and selected and scheduled. Then we have do. What the solution is tested on a small scale basis first. Then it is implemented to higher scale, and that involves collecting data for later analysis, and it is involve measuring process, and that is solution appropriately tested and benefits are validated before committing the full implement. First we have used plan for a team, then we have what can do for tested a small scale basic solution, and then it is full scale basic solution. When our when our time until the optimum result. Then check. It is involved analyzing the collected data and compiling actual result against the planned objectives. It allows evaluating how well the solution is worked and whether further improvement are possible. Then concerned with identify the unexpected issues and their causes and gathering and summarizing the key learning. And you may repeat the do and check a number of times until you get the optimum result. Then what is act? Involves act on feedback and lesson learned implementing the solution fully. And it is concerned with standardizing, documenting, sustaining an improvement process and integrated to the organization full system. And here you see examples of many different situations. First, when planning to change the supplier of a product or services. Then trying to implement a new safety program within a facility. When planning to conduct a training program to improve certain skill. Another example we have see a design team is planning for a new product development. New product development for plan for a new product and production process. Then do creates a product, prototype test it and collect data from the customers. 8. Fully implement the new design and collected the feedback. And check analyze the collected data to measure customer satisfaction. That is a whole cycle of PDCA. And finally we have see the different phases of plan, do, check and act for useful tools. For plan, we have see useful tools for gap analysis, fault tree analysis, waste analysis, brainstorming, process mapping, WBS and etc. Then do Gantt charts on the job training, conflict resolution, data collection methods, sampling control charts, etc. And check graphical analysis, cause and effect analysis, statistics, Pareto analysis, group discussion making technique, etc. And act for different Gantt charts, check sheets, control charting, control planning, standard works, and conflict resolutions. That is a PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, and act. Thank you.